Hello everyone and welcome to another week of Montshire at home. This week our theme is going to be all about eggs. I'm here in a chicken coop on the search for eggs, and each day we're going to do a different experiment. And our first experiment of the week is we are going to try to see inside of an egg without breaking it. What we're going to do is use some chemistry to dissolve the hard outside shell of this egg so we can see the parts and anatomy of an egg. Now to do this, we're going to need a few supplies. First of all, you're going to need an egg. That egg was just laid by this little red hen. Now what we're going to do with that egg is we're going to take it and we're going to put it into a clear cup. Now the chemistry we're going to use has to do with a hard outside shell. That shell is made out of calcium carbonate, and to dissolve it, we're going to use acid. We are going to soak this egg in acid for an entire day and let a chemical reaction happen. Now the acid I have at home is vinegar from my kitchen. Vinegar is a great acid. We use it in a whole variety of things at home. And for this experiment, I'm going to take my vinegar, I'm going to fill up my cup with the egg in it until the vinegar is over the cup. And what you're going to notice happening is evidence of the chemical reaction is going to be happening in the tiny bubbles that are surrounding your eggshell. Now, it will take all day for that eggshell to start to dissolve. It may even take all day and all night. But once that eggshell is gone, you will have a naked egg to experiment with. Now, I started one yesterday, and what it looks like is this. It's the exact same shape of the egg, but it's extremely squishy without that hard eggshell on the outside. I can already feel the membrane that holds the egg, the inside of the egg together. Once your eggshell has dissolved away, I want you to dissect your naked egg. Open up that membrane. What can you find inside? Can you find another membrane in there holding the yolk together? Can you find the white bungee cords that hold everything in place as a chick has everything it needs to grow and stay safe inside of that egg? Now this is your first experiment this week. We have a lot of amazing things coming in the rest of the week. It's going to be sloppy, messy, and possibly even delicious. Have a great day doing some chemistry with your eggs at home.